In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in Notion. If you are looking to organize quick lists, compare items side by side, or lay out lightweight schedules, a simple table is a fast, clean solution. Let's build one from scratch and get it looking clear and professional. Start on any Notion page with a blank line. Type /table and from the menu that appears, select Table under Basic Blocks. This creates a simple, lightweight table that's perfect for quick structure without extra features getting in the way. Once the table appears, begin adding content right away. Click in any cell and type your text. To move across the row without touching your mouse, press Tab to jump to the cell on the right. When you are ready to go down to the next row, press Enter. This rhythm type, Tab to the right, Enter to move down, keeps you moving quickly and makes data entry feel smooth and predictable. As your content grows, you'll probably want to adjust the table's structure. Look to the far right edge of the table to find a small plus icon. Clicking it adds a new column. At the bottom edge, you'll see another plus icon. Clicking that adds a new row. Add as many rows and columns as you need, and don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can keep shaping it as your information takes form. To improve readability, resize your columns so each one fits its content. Hover between two columns until the cursor changes, then click and drag the line left or right. Give wider space to longer text and pull tighter for short labels or numbers. This simple adjustment prevents wrapping where you don't want it and makes the whole table easier to scan. For clear labels and quick visual anchors, use headers. Click the F icon next to the table block to open its options. Then toggle Header Row to shade the top row. That's ideal for your column titles. You can also toggle Header Column to shade the leftmost column, which is great for categories or item names. Use either or both, depending on the layout that best supports your information. As you finalize your table, keep entries concise, use consistent terms and align similar data in the same columns. Small choices like these make the table more useful at a glance and easier to update over time. That's all you need to create clean, effective tables in Notion. Insert with /table, type and navigate with Tab and Enter. Expand with the plus icons, resize by dragging and highlight structure with header toggles. Thanks for watching.